everybody, X-Design 101 here, and today we're going to continue off our tutorials by continuing our pet. So, a few things I want to change up are in our skill here. I've already changed them, but let's explain why I've changed them. So your direction/location, we had it set to actor direction, which is what we would use for our player, not for an NPC. We want the NPC to always attack in the selected direction. That's where actor must face target starts to, actually affect things, because now it's facing the target instead of just being near it and then aimlessly attacking like an idiot. Being the direction/location set this way also, your pet won't be what do you call that? Attacking constantly every 1 second or every think interval. Where's the think interval here? There you go. So yeah, it's 1 second. But yeah, that won't happen. So what we're gonna do is we can go into our AI thing and we could actually get rid of all of this. Like seemingly we did get rid of the force face already. I did that. But we also don't really need to set the wander point because that's kind of ridiculous. But we can keep this if not engaged. We'll get rid of that though. We'll just disable this for a future function because we could probably, like, if not self is engaged, and then we can do another if the player is not within this amount of distance, then we're just gonna set the location to the player, so this way you're like super close, instead of it walking like an entire map away from you and taking forever to get back by your side. So we'll do that in another video though, so we'll keep that. Let's just grab and remove this change skill, drop it right here, and we can get rid of that. We definitely want to keep this, obviously, and yeah, so we can just go ahead and save that now. If we run the game, new game, let's see here, summon him. Use them like a fucking shield. Oh, whoops, sorry for my language, I'll bleep that out. Anyway, so. Oh, look, he's getting too close, that's why. So I gotta set the attack distance of the attack to like 2. There we go. Now let's try that again. Yeah, it's always some things you gotta work on. Basically what happened was that someone made to my attention that I forgot a little bit of something. I completely forgot about the direction and location settings when I was building this. I was also very tired though, so my bad, guys. Let's summon up this pet though. Now I should have basic regular functionality without any of those extra blocks we decided to do manually with. So there you go. And there you go, see? Proper fighting. He just got his ass fucking kicked, but hey. Can we summon another one? Oh, see, aha. Another thing too, let's go over to our persists. And this persist destroyed data, we don't want that. We literally just want to persist the active, the blocks, and the position. That's all we want. We persist that. You see that little issue that just happened and tried to spawn and then destroyed it right away. So turn that off and you'll be able to spawn as many as you want. So right now there's no filter on how many you can spawn. I think we should do that before I add that attack, strength, and defense to it, now that I think about it, because watch. Yeah. Got myself a fucking golem army. God damn it. I'm gonna bleep that out too, guys. Alright, let's go, guys. Own this guy. I'll just spawn this guy right there. Okay, whatever. He's gonna like attack me, but he's gonna get his ass handed to him by all these golems. Ha, sucker. Anyway, so see how that's a horrible idea? We're gonna need to make like a global pet thing so that this way, like, you're only allowed to have one pet at a time. Because, you know, seeing how all those pets were like starting to collide and walk next to each other, and it just didn't really look nice. So let's do something about that here. Let's go to our Plygame editor here. Click on global. As you can see, we have our new game global here still. Now we can add a new one. We're gonna want a, I guess we can keep string. I'm gonna go with int, because int is solid numbers, where float can give you any number in between a solid number. So if it's like 1 and 2, you can get like 1.5, 1.002, 1.0001, 1.208, 5, 6, 7, you know, just like random ass numbers like that. And it's not gonna make your shit be active if that's the numbers you get. And so you gotta use int if you're looking for the 1s, the 2s, the 3s, the 4s, the 5s. This is pets spawn. I should probably put the S. There we go. We'll just drop that in there now. So we go to our skills here, into our summon pet snow golem. It's this easy to stop it. So on skill activate, we just add like ourselves an if then. Alright, so now we're going to be checking if it's less than equal 1. Or less than 1, yeah. So if it's less than 1, we'll do that. If A is less than B, so I believe B is going to be our global int here. Pets spawned. Okay, and if 0, or if pets spawned, okay, no, actually we want that to be first. So if that's less than common integer 1, cut that out, and then this. Now we're also going to want to set the global. Pets spawned to integer 1. Now then, you can now go to your NPC. With this, we can go inside of our blocks, and on the on death, Plygame actor on actor death. We're gonna want to set the global variable pet spawn to 0. Integer 0. See, there we go. Boom. So now if we go into game here, it's always good to use the Plygame play button. This way it's like playing it almost as if you built it. So if we would have added some debugs, it would be telling us what's going on. But anyway, so if I summon 1 here, as you can see, I'm pressing my 1 key. I'm trying to summon another one, but it's not gonna happen. I think I need to make the follow distance lighter. But as you can see now, I can spawn another one like I just did. But I cannot spawn anymore. See, I think I need to make the follow distance longer on him, because as you can see, when he was trying to fight him, he was trying to walk back to me because he wasn't close enough or something stupid like that. So max distance, I don't know. 25 maybe? No. 15. We'll try 15. This way it won't look like he's screwing up. There we go. I'll toss up his run speed a little and then his walk speed too. Wait, that was supposed to be 3, so it's gotta be 4. Haha. Gotta be able to have him keep up, you know what I mean? Summon him. That's so random. See, I'm not gonna lie, there is some weird functionality going on here, and I think I've had this very functionality beforehand. Okay, no, he's still, no, okay, good. But if okay, so as soon as you walk out of that distance, he's gonna start like trying to come to you after every attack, which is kind of fucking stupid, I'm sorry. So I don't like how that works. So I actually like that idea that I had where like when he's in combat, he switches out of follow mode. See how I didn't think about it, but I actually created something good in that first video. Ha, yeah. See, it turned out good. Now I'm gonna go use it again. I'm gonna put this back down to 5 here. So like he follows close, obviously. And then yeah, that's huzzah. We'll obviously leave this outside of the AI think process. So looking for is engaged, which would be here, somewhere down here. There it is. If is engaged, self is engaged, yada yada. I want to set we're still going to use this for something else later too, like I was saying, so don't worry about that. But yeah, we want to set this and this, and then it's going to be in character. Was a set. No. Idle, whoops. Idle wonder. At point, the object, get position of self. Set self to wanderer on point, and then set follow to player. Yay. At this point in time too, that's what, yeah, no, I already explained that shit. See, I keep thinking about it. I really want to do that teleportation thing. But let's fix this first. Let's get rid of that abnormal activity where it likes to face away in mid-combat, trying to come back to you when you're standing too far away. I don't like that. Anyway, we summon him. He likes to follow close. I like it. You know what I mean? That's proper functionality. Oh, he's coming after me though. And I have no weapon. Come on, whatever. Kill him. Do something. You really not fast enough, golem? Okay, whatever. It's not like he's gonna kill me anyway. But whatever. Yep, golem. Fuck him. Grab my sword then. Clearly not doing the job. Oh. Shit, yeah. See, that's all I had to do. Word. See, eventually we can add, I plan on adding a level system for your pets. Like, it won't be like a level system for like each particular pet, I believe. I'm gonna make it more like a level system that bonuses all the different leveled and, you know, skilled creatures around. So like, it'll be a bonus more or less instead of something else. Okay, anyway, you stay right there in harm's way. So basically when you spawn it, it'll have its basic level, and then it'll like take attack power based off of like your trainer level or something, or your pet mastery, we can call it, maybe. I don't know. And in this way, the higher your pet mastery is, and then that would level up as your pets get kills. Obviously, your pets won't hit as much damage as this one's hitting. It's such early on in the game, but like testing purposes, KO, get over there. There we go. See, so now he set his shit, so now I can like walk all the way the hell over. Oh, see, he died so quickly though. Go, you right there. I just remembered you can push him there. But like, see, he's not trying to face away. He's got proper behavior. Let's see here if I can spawn another one right here. Come on, get over there, battle him. He obviously died. But like, he started following me as soon as that thing died again. And then all I have to do is have him fight something else. So like, it's actually a nice behavior. A lot better than the previous one. So, sweetness on that part. Let's see here. That teleportation thing, I guess, is not the most necessary, but I guess we'll get it done now since it's like really on my mind, I guess. So let's go back to our pet snow golem. On AI, I think we're gonna need another if in here. So flow if. Now, let's see. We're doing distance, right? So if is more than B, I guess we would go with. Or no, less than, yeah. Whoa. No. I guess it depends on which way I place it, right? I'm having like a next level brain fart on how I want to do this. I guess I'm gonna start it, and if I have to change anything around, we'll do that. Anyway, so I'm just gonna use negative. So now we're gonna go to our math. If returns the distance as a float between vector 1 and 3. Oh shit. Not what I was looking for. Let's go here. What about here? Let's see if there's anything about distance. Get detected distance. Returns the distance of the detected character. That is at the... Whoa. Not what I was looking for. guess we could always do it like this. Where's that get that distance? No, that's direction. Distance. Distance between this and this. Is there like a vector 3 distance one? Oh, there is 3. Sweetness. If the distance between this and this is less than this and this, yeah, I think I should have used the more than one there, but okay, copy that. Let's go grab that more than one. Or the more, whatever you want to fucking... Shit, I'm sorry. Oh, Facebook word. Anyway. So we want to get the distance of self. Oops. Object. Get position of self, and then get position of player. Is more than how would I between vector 1 and 2? Returns a float value. It's more than, I don't know what, 10 or 15? I will do like 15, yeah. Guess we'll give that a try. And then we want to object set position of self to get world position of player, but we want math. What was it I used last time? It was like, is it in here maybe? I don't know. No. Let's see here. Okay, well it's definitely not in renderer, so I don't know what I'm doing in there right now. So this first part looks like it's gonna work just fine, but then I want to set the world position of self to, I don't want to set it directly on the player. So at this point, instead of me just hurting my head on this, I'm just going to go to my summon snow golem and see what it was I was doing. What block is this? Vector 3 A plus B. Where is that located? Math. Vector 3A plus B. Okay, there it is. See? I found it. Okay, that's what we're using here. Let's go back into our NPCs. Snow golem, my bad. Let's go back into our math here. Go here to our vector 3. Vector 3A plus B. We want to get position of D's and then 1. You could add like a shrink effect if you really want to on a, like a time basis, like shrink it, and then on like a like a trigger event block, and then another event in here called grow and move, teleport, we'll say. We'll just call it teleport. And then with that, you can just have it to set the size back to its regular size, and then just cast this block right here then, instead of where it is now. This way, your character will shrink. You can put like a ball of light to hide your character or something, and then at the same time, it'll be triggering an event in like what 1-2 seconds, and then all of a sudden your guy will just move, and then it'll grow once it moves. So yeah, that's just a simple, if you want to do that right away. You could, I don't really care to do that right now because it's not like a full-on project. But yeah, I just pretty much explained how you would do that. You should know the blocks by now for that simple stuff. Anyway, let's see here. Action bar. Put him in there. Let's see. It's following nicely. Come on, kill it. There you go. See? Boom. He teleported. I like it. Get over here. If I stay close, I want to make sure you're not teleporting to me. I want to get back over there, get in a fight. You're going to die quick, though. Hey, get over here, you sack of sunshine. You know, we could always add mana to the game now, or energy. Should probably add a health bar that shows up on top of his head when he gets into combat. Whoa, 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 whoa. Eat this, eat this. See, he did not teleport. So yeah, that works perfectly, guys. This video probably got a little long, so I'm going to cut it here, but I'm going to start recording the next one. Take care. Enjoy the video.